Hi guys, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market where prices have been fluctuating over the past few weeks. Today I have a budget of $2,500 and we're gonna see whether or not we can fill our market bag this week. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard, how are you?
Fine, fine.
Alright, can you tell me what to drive in the market today?
Well, lettuce, string bean, cauliflower, pop chow $200 a pound. In our vegetable department, things up. Other department like grape and pine are still maintain for them steady price.
What can we expect in the coming weeks?
Based on our farming are going now, if we crop young now and catch this rain, something will go wrong. We are going to have something to lead the market by now a week after next. I don't know which one I crop, but something will lead.
So that's it for Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.